I'm going to show you how to use the new copy and crop feature. So you go into your whiteboard, you can upload your file that you want from your computer. This is my file. So we go into the tools section, pick the select tool. If you want to make a copy of South America, for example, you draw a rectangle around it, right? Click it and then say copy. So this will make a copy, and then you can keep making use the paste keystroke, Command V on a Mac or Control V on a Windows PC, and keep making copies of it right here, right? So you can keep pasting it because it's in our clipboard. You can also paste these on a different page. So if you go to a different page, you can put it there as well. To crop an image is also very simple. So let me just delete these guys. And then let's say I want to keep only North America in the map. So again, I pick the same select tool. I draw a rectangle around North America, like that, and hit crop, and it will just keep that and delete the rest of the image. The copy tool also works for any other things. If you have any objects, sentences, you can just highlight it. Either you can use the select tool, select copy from here, or just use the copy keystroke. So Command C will copy it, and Command V will you can paste it, and you can paste it on the same page, or you can paste it on different pages as well, and you can paste it multiple times too if you want to. Hope that helps. Thank you.